The growing for mechanical keyboards highlights how users prioritize precision, durability, and efficiency. Similarly, mechanics and DIY enthusiasts are looking for cordless ratchets that deliver power, reliability, and ease of use without overspending. List num. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Ratchet 3/8 and 1/2 inch sealed head ratchet. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Ratchet is a professional-grade tool designed for demanding automotive and mechanical tasks. Featuring both 3/8 and 1/2 inch sealed head options, it delivers high torque and smooth operation. Its brushless motor enhances efficiency and battery life, allowing longer runtime on a single charge. Ergonomic handle design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for professionals or DIY enthusiasts, this ratchet combines power and reliability at a reasonable price. List number 2. DEWALT Atomic 20V Max Cordless Ratchet Brushless 3/8 in. The DEWALT Atomic 20V Max Brushless Cordless Ratchet is compact yet powerful, offering 3/8 inch drive size for versatile use in tight spaces. Its brushless motor delivers longer runtime and improved durability compared to brushed alternatives. Lightweight design ensures easy handling for extended projects, while the high torque output makes it suitable for automotive, mechanical, or DIY tasks. A high-performance ratchet that balances portability, efficiency, and affordability for professionals on a budget. List 3. Milwaukee 245721 3/8 in Cordless M12 lithium-ion ratchet. The Milwaukee 245721 Cordless M12 ratchet is a compact, reliable tool designed for precision and high performance. Its 3/8 inch drive and 12V M12 lithium-ion battery provide excellent torque for automotive and mechanical applications. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. With a lightweight profile, this ratchet is ideal for working in tight spaces or overhead applications. It's a top choice for professionals seeking a dependable, money-smart tool. List number. AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set 3/8 12-volt power ratchet toolkit with 2 packs. The AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set comes with two 12-volt ratchets, offering great value for money. Each unit provides strong torque and multiple speed options, making it suitable for automotive repairs and assembly work. Lightweight and ergonomic, these ratchets are easy to handle, even in tight or awkward spaces. The kit includes chargers and batteries, ensuring uninterrupted work sessions, perfect for DIYers and small shops. This set offers convenience and performance at an affordable price. List number 5. KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set 40 feet-pounds, 400 RPM. The KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet delivers 40 feet-pounds of torque at 400 RPM, making it ideal for professional and hobbyist use. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended projects, while the rechargeable battery provides consistent power. Suitable for automotive, mechanical, or home workshop tasks, this ratchet offers quick, efficient fastening and loosening. Durable construction and compact size make it easy to store and transport, offering excellent value for the money.